Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions or comments below. I would be glad to answer it. You can find the quick updates also if you follow me on X for the link that you can find, of course, in the description below. Sometimes I update faster there, of course, than a video on YouTube. So, starting with the XRP on the weekly, where we are looking for an A, B, and a C potentially towards the upside. Your wave A has already finished in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and possibly, of course, we are looking here to a very long WXY correction, where we are looking for a W here as a zigzag, another zigzag for your X, and a triangle here for your wave Y as an A, B, C, D, and still looking for a small wave E towards the downside on the weekly chart, of course. Once you have finished, of course, is this wave Y, which is also your wave B at the same time, you are looking, of course, for higher prices. However, a good signal would be, of course, 5 waves towards the upside and then 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3 as ABC, and then move towards the upside, of course, where you want to reach higher prices than this one. Now, if we look, of course, a little bit more closer inside the 4-hour chart, for example, of course, XRP loves very complicated correction waves. It's mostly very slow movement for XRP. However, it's the first time here I see as well as a WXY and the XZ here, where we see a very complex corrective structure. As of course, if you want to dive deep inside it, it's we can move with it a little bit. However, after here, what we are looking at is our wave E. Your wave E should be a zigzag, of course, after having an impulse here, and then you want to have a correction, and then of course a wave E towards the downside. So you are still looking a little bit towards the upside and then move towards the downside to finish this wave E. Now, if we move inside the 1-hour chart here, inside this correction for the WXYXZ, if you want to see how this is unfolding, this is the following. We are having here a B, and a C, of course, for your wave A. You have, of course, 3 waves for your wave B. And then, of course, you have finished your wave C even as a WXY inside this correction. A very complex correction where you have finished already your W here, and then you are looking, of course, for 3 waves, and then, of course, finishing impulsively for your wave X, and then, of course, 5 waves up, 3 down, 5 waves up as zigzag for your wave Y. From there, you are looking now, of course, for a zigzag as 3 waves down for your second X, and now finally you are looking for a final zigzag towards the upside, where you are looking to an impulse here and then correction and then another impulse hitting at least the 1 fib level at 0.56 for a wave Z. And by all means, once you finish this, you have finished your wave B for your zigzag towards the downside, where you are looking, of course, for an A, B, and a C. In this way, you finish, of course, your wave E here for your triangle, which it should be, of course, around the 1 to 1 fib level. And after that, we are, of course, looking to higher prices, as we have mentioned in the daily. However, as you can see, XRP is a very complicated chart. Always, it is very choppy and very corrective. As you can see as well here, after every correction, we see it's kind of like a drop, very hard and very sharp drop, which it can be sometimes volatile based on these choppy corrections, as we can see. So be careful with XRP. It's not something that you can really always rely on it with trading. You have to be careful with it sometimes because it is very corrective, and if you take the wrong side, it might, of course, liquidate you. Yeah, so this is for XRP. If you like the content, please press the like button. And if you didn't subscribe for the channel, please subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.